AI is transforming industries, automating tasks, and reshaping the job market at an unprecedented pace. The question is, will you embrace the change and upskill, or risk being left behind? Artificial intelligence, AI, isn't here to steal jobs, it's here to revolutionize them. The real threat isn't AI itself but those who master its potential. In this presentation from the Shark Tank Forum, we explore the undeniable transformation AI brings to industries, particularly in accounting, customer service, and business operations. Will you embrace AI as your digital workforce, or will you be left behind? Let's dive into the future that is already unfolding before us. In a bold statement, it's predicted that 8 out of 10 accountants will lose their jobs within the next 3 years. This isn't because AI is coming for their roles, but because professionals who learn to use AI will replace those who don't. A comprehensive study with major firms analyzed 37 tasks performed by accountants. Shockingly, 33 out of these 37 can be automated using AI assistance and automation tools. Only 4 tasks remain that AI cannot replace. Approving payments. Handling tax negotiations. Interfacing with auditors. Collaborating with internal departments. For everything else, AI-driven systems have already proven faster, more efficient, and more accurate than humans. Imagine booking a restaurant table at 2 a.m. and receiving an immediate, thoughtful response instead of waiting hours for a human agent. AI engines are making this possible, responding in under 5 seconds, personalizing interactions, and anticipating customer needs. With 6 million AI-driven messages processed monthly for a leading financial firm, 83 to 92% of customer queries are now handled by AI alone. AI isn't just a tool, it's becoming the frontline of customer interaction, ensuring 24/7 service without requiring human labor. AI has moved beyond mere assistance, it is now a decision maker. Digital employees, or AI engines, are taking over tasks in sales, marketing, logistics, and human resources. CEOs must now rethink hiring strategies, collaborating with IT departments to determine which tasks AI can replace entirely before considering human recruitment. For example, in stock trading, AI engines outperform 93% of brokers, executing transactions based on predefined parameters without human intervention. This marks a shift in how businesses operate and compete in the modern era. A new concept emerges: AI barrier. This is the threshold at which a professional's skills must exceed AI capabilities to remain relevant. Companies worldwide are now reassessing their employee value against AI's efficiency. Leaders must not only adapt their mindsets but also upskill themselves and their teams to stay competitive. At FPT Corporation, employees no longer focus on basic software skills like Word and Excel. Instead, they undergo training in AI-driven office solutions to remain ahead of automation trends. Despite AI's rapid advancements, it still lacks 3 essential human abilities. Curiosity: AI processes data but cannot question or challenge information instinctively. Creativity: AI replicates patterns but does not truly innovate beyond learned models. Emotional intelligence: AI fails at genuine human connection, such as personal empathy and nuanced social interactions. Businesses must leverage these uniquely human skills while integrating AI for tasks requiring speed, efficiency, and precision. Organizations must take immediate action. Review all job roles to identify AI automation potential. Retrain employees to focus on AI-proof skills like leadership, creativity, and strategic thinking. Implement AI-driven systems for increased revenue and cost reduction. The world isn't waiting. Companies like VinFast, NVIDIA, and leading financial institutions are already integrating AI at scale. Whether you're an entrepreneur, executive, or employee, the question remains: will you adapt or be left behind? AI is not taking jobs, people who use AI are taking jobs. This is not a dystopian prediction but an evolving reality. AI is not a threat, it is a tool, a digital extension of human capability. Just as technology has always been an enabler, from the steam engine to the internet, AI is the next evolution. The choice is clear: embrace AI, upskill, and thrive, or resist and risk irrelevance. Thank you for exploring the AI revolution. Will you adapt or be replaced? With us. Are you excited about the video? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more cool AI tool recommendations, like, share and subscribe to check out these videos next.